Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to send large video files without losing quality. Let's begin. The first step is to use a reliable cloud storage service. With tools like Dropbox, you can keep your videos in their original quality when you share them. Let's start by uploading your video to Dropbox. Simply drag and drop your video file into your Dropbox account. Dropbox will handle the rest, keeping your video stored securely without any compression or quality loss. Once your video is uploaded, you can easily share it with anyone. Just click on the video, select Share, and enter the email address of the people you want to send it to. You can also create a shareable link and send it through email or messaging apps. To make things even more secure, Dropbox gives you the option to control who can view or download your video. You can send a view-only link if you don't want others to make changes, or allow them to edit and comment if collaboration is needed. And if you need to send a very large file, Dropbox Transfer is a perfect option. It lets you send files up to 100 GB without compressing them, ensuring they arrive in their original quality. And that's it. By using Dropbox, you can easily send videos without losing quality. Your recipients will always receive the same high-quality video you uploaded, no matter where they are, and that's it. So that's basically how you can send large video files without losing quality. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.